Hello there, welcome to my channel. So from the title, I know you already know what this video is all about. So this is me cutting the braiding hair into two equal parts and pulling them out to my desired length and then just prepping the hair for use. This entire video is actually very self-explanatory. So I won't be doing so much talking. I'll just let you watch, but I'll make sure to explain where there is need to. So when I was done pulling and combing it out, I divided them into smaller parts so it to be easy to use. I just tied them to avoid it tangling or something. So this is not like the full pack. This was like half of the hair. So I didn't really have so much. But I think it was okay for what I needed it for. And when I was done, this is what I got. Then I started prepping the hair. I just took one bundle after the other. I applied water. I just dipped my hand in water to touch it a little to give me a smoother texture. And then I applied this oil, hair cream. I just applied it. I don't think I liked the. It was yellow. I was scared if it was going to stain the hair, but it turned out good though. So I just combed it. I just prepped the hair basically. So what I have in my hand is a thread that I formed a loop round the I just found one object to form a loop round, just as you're seeing in the video. Then I went ahead to secure it when I was done forming the loop. Now just watch closely. This is actually very self-explanatory, but then I'll try to explain this. I took the hair, a tiny part, then took it to the back of the loop, as you're seeing in the video, brought it forward and tied it. Like took the one down into the one up. However, you can see the explanation or more. So yeah, that's how I did this. That's how I was able to achieve this. And then I joined them together, cut the loop and tied the end so that the hairs don't fall off. I secured the ends. Yeah. And when I was done, I plugged my iron and used it to press on the secured part to give me that that weave-on feel. Yeah, that's what I did. You have to be careful so you don't burn your hair. Remember, this is synthetic. I had water boiling already. So when the water was ready, I brought it down, poured into the bowl, and added my conditioner into the bowl of hot water. You have to be careful in order not to burn yourself. I mixed it up, then immersed the hair into the mixture and took it out to dry under the sun. Then I started prepping my hair. I had a wash on this day. So I was just taking down my hair. Meanwhile, my hair's grown longer than this. So I basically put the hair into a bund. I just prepped the hair. This part of the hair making is not what this video is all about. If you want to know how I did it, let me know in the comment section. I feel this side is easy, so let me just go ahead and explain the other part. When the hair was dried, I brought them in, oiled it, brushed it, and then it was ready to use. So when I decided to use this thread to stitch this head to my natural hair, no one told me it was a bad idea. I wouldn't advise you to use thread and needle for this if you're doing this on your own, because taking this down was difficult. But all the same, it turned out better than I expected. Remember, this was my first time of trying this out. I had never done this before. So this part is actually self-explanatory. So I really don't have much to say. I used the needle to stitch starting from the of the bond tip of the bond, then kept wrapping it round and round till I got what I wanted. At this point, the hair was taking a shape I was liking. Then I decided to take a section of the hair to wrap around the bond, remember, so it doesn't show. So that's what I'm doing now. So my suggestion here is that if you do not want to use the thread and needle, you can make use of bobby pins. They are great as well. And it's actually also very easy to take down when you're tired. Yeah. When the first hair that I pulled out got exhausted, I had to pull out another hair because the bone wasn't fully covered. So I did this basically to get a high bun. So basically, this is just what you do. This is how to get this look very easy and in a cheaper way. Tell me what you think, and then don't forget to like this video if you like it. If you don't, please still like the video. Share and subscribe. Leave a comment in the section below. Let me know how you think I did. This was my first try and I think it was amazing. What you think? Look at that. Yes, girl. There you go. Thank you so much, so much, so much for watching. Keep coming back. Bye.